Graphicxtras. In the latest version of Photoshop, this is version Photoshop CC 2014, there's a new layer comp feature. You can use it with the convert to linked, and it's used with smart objects. You can convert many things to smart objects, such as custom shapes, brushes. I'm going to be using custom shapes. What you can do with it, you can actually save it to a file, which you can then have as a central sort of resource. Basically, obviously, have lots and lots of different documents pointing to a single file, and you can create, obviously, within that, lots of layer comps, so positions, styles, etc., which you can modify from that central file, but in another document. Okay, now I'm going to show you all those steps. So the first thing to do is just quickly create the actual design. So there's I'm going to use it red shape, it's custom shape, and there's the actual shape. It's a Graphicxtras bow tie shape. So just going to quickly create it. Vector design, so it can be any size as well. That's the key thing as well. Be any size. And layer, smart objects, convert to smart object. So once it's a smart object, I can now go to a layer, smart objects, and lose that, convert to linked. Right, convert to links. Once you do that, it actually asks for to save in this file. Now I'm just going to save it to a location. I'm going to save it to my desktop. So it's just a central point that I can find it later. So shape one, they called it bow tie. It's a PSB file. So PSB file, so bow tie, and save. So it's now saved as a file. I'm actually going to edit that file, and to actually edit that, I can bring up the properties. So properties, and you'll see this little edit contents. Now the layer comps feature is not currently available. There are no layer comps. So obviously for this document, but obviously there's nor is there actually for the content. So if I actually go into that, you actually got that one, layer comps, there's no layer comps either. So I can actually create some. I'm just going to do that now. Just going to resize it slightly because I want to move it around a bit. So right, it's just got that there. I'm going to create, save new layer comp. That's layer comp there. You can't see layer comp, window, layer comps. So that's one. I'm going to move it over there. New layer comp. And you can say visibility, position, and appearance, layer style. Click OK. Now I'm also going to go for layer style. So I'm just going to, let's make it red. So there, red. Going to save that one. New layer comp. And so you obviously, what you can do, you can obviously, if you've got say a company logo or something, you can actually create a vast number of sort of subtle changes with different styles, effects, and you can maybe different positions, maybe obviously with more than just a custom shape in the design. But anyway, I'm just going to now go for layer comp again, another color overlay. I'm going to go for, say, blue. Yeah, blue. Maybe add a shadow this time. Drop shadow. Maybe pronounce. Click OK. Okay, once you've actually done that, I'm going to first save another layer comp. Not going to put a comment, but okay, so I've got all those layer comps now. I can save that file, PSB file. File, save, and I can close that. Now, I've got this original document, and you'll notice now, don't apply layer comp, because of course there are some layer comps. Now I can just go layer comp, so different positions. And obviously you could create far more complicated than this basic just shape design, but there's all the different settings you can show off. You have a long list of layer comps you can quickly go through, and again it's still editable at, just go edit contents, and you can go back, maybe add more layer comps or delete them if you don't want to use them. Anyway, I hope you found this of interest.